hello, it's Sunday and welcome to my weekly vlog. Now my husband and I are going to have some breakfast somewhere, I don't know where, and after that we want to go to the beach, which is called Simi Beach. It is somewhere, on the mountain. It's behind the mountain, and we're gonna go there. But breakfast first. So we walked by the first place we bumped into. It is called To Be Social House, and it is so cozy and it has Bali vibes, if you know what I mean, because there are a lot of cactuses and like wooden furniture. So my husband will show you around. So we're going up the mountain. It is scorching hot today, finally. It's gonna be quite a long way. I think like 30 minutes. Yeah, but we're gonna see some beautiful views, like really beautiful. And a lot of locals, they just, drive up there and drink coffee there together and they just go back, or they have picnics up the mountain, which is very romantic, I think. The higher we go, the hotter it is. Yay!
I'm on Simi Beach. Beautiful.
Yes. And here we are, Simi Beach. Like, now you probably get why this beach is my fave. It's not ready, of course, because the season hasn't started yet. But anyway, it's quite good. Fethiye is about having two different kind of looks because during the day it was super hot and I was wearing a dress, by the way, for the first time since since December, and now it's getting colder and I decided to change and now I'm wearing trousers. So yeah, the weather is very unpredictable here. That's why I don't really like it. And by the way, yesterday we were in a cafe and the guy at the next table, he was buzzing about the weather in Fethiye as well. He also mentioned that Kash is warmer and Antalya is warmer and something else was warmer. Alanya, yeah, Alanya. I think in summer it's even better in Fethiye. It's supposed to be better because if now it's cold, it's like all the time 5 or 6 degrees colder, so it means that in summer it's not that hot as in other cities. Oh, I found my sister. It's me. Rosaldo, how was your swimming?
I'm a
Did you
Tarzan.
like it? I think in summer it's really cool here. I saw some videos on Instagram and people throw parties here and there are a lot of DJs. There is a stage for DJs and dancing.
Like me.
What, like you?
Dancing.
Like dancing
Dancers.
like you? Yeah, it looks very cool. I wish we saw this beach in summer, but no, we are leaving soon. This is it. This is the end. I saw this place on Instagram too. It really looks cool. So if you are here in summer and you are watching my video right now, text me and you can send me some pictures on Instagram. like some pictures of this place and how it looks like in summer. It will be really cool. Okay, today we are moving. We usually live there, but they're gonna have some renovation done, and that's why they asked us to change the rooms. And this is our new apartment, which is kind of freshly renovated. Let's go. I will show you. It's very similar to our previous one, but the colors are different. Our door used to be brown, now it's gray. Okay, let's go. My favorite part is this bedroom. It's quite okay. It looks way better than before. I can show you our previous apartment, and this one is quite nice. And I like these bricks on the walls, you see? So the view is good. I have never looked out of the window before. It's my first time. So this is our new toilet, bathroom. So actually everything is here. Yeah, so it smells really freshly. So we have kind of a tropical shower now. So, and it's cool that everything is new. So we are the first people in this apartment. This is the living room. And a kitchen and all other rooms in one room. So yeah, this is our kitchen. It was also brown and yellow, but they decided to paint it white and make these decorations. Probably they found my mug and decided, oh, it's so cool, and they decided to color all the apartments the same way. I don't like the sofas. I mean, red and black, really? So, no, but actually it's quite nice and cozy here. And my favorite balcony. You have probably seen the view already because I posted quite a lot on my Instagram. Yeah, so this is the view. This is our Erkin's apart. I know that.
See? We don't have a chair.
Yeah, we don't have a chair. I think we will take a chair from our balcony, which is there. This is our previous balcony. And also, what I wanted to say, you probably want to know how much we pay. It's 9,000 Turkish lira, right?
It's about.
Yeah? Yeah, like give or take. And also we pay for utility bills. Sometimes it's a lot, sometimes it's not. It depends on the weather. Yeah, but it's quite cheap, very affordable. Of course, when season comes, like since May, it's going to be like 3 times more expensive, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of 30,000 lira.
It will be daily rent only.
Daily, yeah, daily rent. So that is why we are leaving Turkey for this reason. So yeah, we have 1 month more in Turkey, and we're gonna live in this apartment. Okay, it's Tuesday, and we've just finished our work. My husband is swamped today, so that's why it's our first outing for today, and we're going to grab a bite to have some coffee because I'm craving coffee. And now for some reason we don't have gas in our apartment, so that's why I want to drink coffee so much. So I've chosen one coffee place. I've been there once and I liked it. It's very popular with Turkish people, so let's go there. But it's Monday and we already worked a bit, and there is a renovation going in our apartment, so that is why we have to change a place. Now we're going to Rasta, which is a shopping center in the middle of the city. I have a video about it, so you can watch it if you want. And I will probably find a spot for working somewhere in Starbucks or maybe another cafe next to it. So this is my day. And the weather is again so changeable. It was rainy, now it's like 18 degrees again. And I take off and put on my jacket all the time, really all the time. It seems that we're always eating, but now we're really hungry and it's time for lunch. So we popped by a small local place next to Rasta. We're gonna have 2 donors and then I will go and I will work there. This is one of my favorite places. I mean, you can grab cappuccino in Starbucks or in this place. I don't remember the name, but coffee here is really good. Take it there, and work. Doner here in this place is very delish, way better than the one we ate in the video where we tried Turkish dishes. So I want you to remember this place. It's just opposite Irasta. It's the evening and we decided to go to cinema after our work. Gonna watch then Dungeons and Dragons. Yeah, there is one thing about Turkish cinemas. In the middle of the film, they stop it like for 10 minutes, and you can just do whatever you want. Just go out, buy something. So you have kind of a 10-minute break. And when it happened first time, I was a bit like, what? What's going on? But like everybody was calm, so was I. So keep it in mind and don't be scared if it happens. But it will happen because it's like all the time like that. So in the middle of the film, you will have a blackout, and after that, you will have 10-minute break.
3 days later.
So we have 3 days more in Turkey, and we've decided to try out all the dishes that we haven't tried before. Say hi! And today we're eating this super weird thing. It's kind of actually it's a chicken, you know, but it is dessert made of chicken. I don't know, chicken
Pudding.
yeah. So let's give it a try. It is super weird. I don't know, it doesn't feel like it's chicken. It's kind of, I don't know even how to describe it, but it's very sweet. So, and this is the first spoon for my husband. What do you think?
Nice.
Nice?
Sweet.
I think I prefer
Like,
San Sebastian more.
Like
I don't even know like what. Like yogurt. Like
Yogurt,
tasty
pudding.
yogurt. But it's literally chicken, you know? But look, there is nothing from chicken there. Oh, maybe this kind of slices? Yeah? Oh my god. Like super teeny tiny chicken is inside. But anyway, I think that you should give it a try because it's very unusual, and I think that nowhere in the world you can try something like this. Right? Okay, this is for you. And I'll go for San Sebastian, I guess, because it's not my type of thing. I don't want to eat it. Ta-da!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
3 days later.
Fethiye has sprung to life, as you see. So many people are outside and the weather is so good. And today is a very important Turkish holiday after Ramadan, which is called something like Turkish Feast. I'm not sure about the name, that's why I will write it here. You know, a lot of people have arrived in Fethiye. Everybody is walking like all together. People are visiting their families because they're gonna have 3 days off, like Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and today all the places are packed, all the restaurants are packed, people are having fun, and there are so many tourists today. It's so cool. I will show you how they celebrate this day if I see something interesting.
Kendinle tanıştır. Dünümle bugünüm. Can cihazın sarması. Geç oldu, temiz oldu.
So this is it. This is the last video of my weekly vlog. I hope that you liked this video and that you pointed out some of the places I do love, and this video will be helpful for you. And see you in another country, by the way. Bye.